everybody, happy Thursday. Hopefully you're doing well. Today we will be doing a little bit of a writer's workshop lesson. It's kind of a reader's workshop lesson too, I guess, because we're talking about books. We have been learning what an opinion is, and you've written your opinion on a couple of different things. And now one of the things that we are going to talk about is how to decide our preference on a book. So the word preference means what you prefer, what your favorite thing is. So we just read books. Hopefully you clicked on if you haven't, you can click the link above this one and watch me reading two different books. A Little Chimp one, Little Chimp and the Bees. Is that right? Little Chimp and the Bees, I think, and House Hunting. So I'm going to think about the two books and I want to think about which book I preferred. Now I like both of those books, but I think that the one that I prefer to read myself is House Hunting. And I'm going to think of the reasons why I prefer that book, and then I'm going to write my opinion down here. So I'm going to start off with a sentence that sort of helps the reader understand that I'm starting my piece of writing off. So I'm going to start with something like, in my opinion, or the book that I liked the best, something like that. Let's go with that. And I'm just doing it on plain paper here. The book I liked the best was, and I'm going to write House Hunting with a capital H because it's the title of my book. And hunting has a capital H too. The book I liked the best was House Hunting. And I'm going to think back to those transitional sentences that we talked about a few lessons ago. I might say something like, the first reason why I like this So it says, the first reason why I like this book best is I think I like the baby bear character more than the little chimp character. I think he is a more interesting character. I like I'm going to cross that out neatly. I like baby bear. His name has capitals. I like baby bear the best. I think another one of the reasons why I really like that book, House Hunting, is that the pages are really colorful. And sometimes I find the pages in the Little Chimp books can be a little bit boring because I find they have a lot of the same scenery in the background. So I'm going to transition into my second reason by thinking of a way that I can do that to make my work flow nicely. Maybe I'll say, another reason why I like this book best is that the pictures or the illustrations are more colorful. And I'm going to try to come up with 3, maybe 4 reasons why I prefer this book. I think the other reason I really like this book is that it kind of reminds me of the story of the 3 little, sort of Goldilocks and the 3 Little Bears. So some of the sentences that you hear in the book, oh, this home is too big, this home is too small, those remind me of Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, which is a book I really like. So let's transition into my next reason. Maybe I'll say something like, the last reason why I prefer House Hunting is that it reminds me of Goldilocks. Hope I'm spelling this right. Goldilocks has a capital G. And the 3 bears, which I love. And today, we're not going to just end it there, we're going to put an ending onto this. So usually when we do a piece of writing about our opinion, we sort of end it off in a way that helps the reader know that we're finished talking about the subject. So I might say something like, those are all of the reasons why I love house hunting the most. Or you might say something like, you may agree with me that house hunting is a better book than Little Chimp and the Bees. Just sort of something that gives your story or your piece of writing a nice ending and kind of closes it off at the end. I'm going to say, these are the reasons why I prefer house hunting. Over Little Chimp and the Bees. Now I'm going to read this from top to bottom to make sure it sounds good. The book I liked the best was House Hunting. The first reason why I like this book best is I like Baby Bear the best. Another reason why I like this book best is that the pictures are more colorful. The last reason why I prefer House Hunting is that it reminds me of Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, which I love. These are the reasons why I prefer House Hunting over Little Chimp and the Bees. So your job for today or tomorrow or the next few days when you get a chance is to choose 2 of your own reading books, come up with an opinion on which book you prefer, and then create a piece of writing similar to mine. And when you do, all you need to do is send me an email. Some people have been sending or asking questions about where to post their work or how to get their work to me. All you need to do is send it to me in an email. You can snap a picture with an iPad or a phone, and you can just attach the picture to an email. My email address is on the home page of this website, nmiddleton@hrce.ca, and just make sure you send it to me and not to Ms. Horseman. All right, happy reading, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.